Hi, today I'm going to make these colored leaves with crepe paper as an addition to any floral arrangement or decoration. Materials I'm using are a thick wire for stem and 3 complementary colors, so you can take any. I have taken yellow, golden yellow, orange and red. So cut a square from the papers of any size depending on the leaf that you like, and then just cut it diagonally like this. So now just position the leaf. You can see the grains, so I'll just flip it over because then the grains are going like this, and this piece also the grains are going like this. So now just apply glue. And stick this piece on it. Like so, and let it dry. So after it has dried a bit, now just cut out a leaf shape. So this is how it looks, and I have made in the other colors also in the same manner. So you have 3 of the golden yellow, 4 of orange and 4 of red. So now take the thick wire, and I have cut a strip from the red crepe paper. Just stretch it a bit and apply glue on it. And I'll wind this on this wire. Like so. So now I'm going to stick these leaves on it. So I'll start with the golden yellow. Just apply some glue at the base. Like so. And just turn it over like that. Stick it on the wire. Like this. So I'll just continue sticking all these leaves like this. First orange and then red. And this is how it will look after it's finished. A very easy way to decorate any flower arrangement or anywhere. If you wish, you can always, stretch the paper a bit to make it more leaf-like.